Hello again, it's Paige, and today we're doing a Jamaican crab. And you can see this crab in SpongeBob with Mr. Krabs or in The Little Mermaid with Sebastian. So today we're drawing him, and he's gonna be happy and crawling along the floor of the ocean. So that's what we're doing today. Alright. So to start off with this crab, we're going to start off by drawing his body. And you see how it's all one, it's just a big oval. So we're going to start in the middle and do the best you can with this, but it doesn't have to be perfect. So just make a big, long oval like this. And it's okay if he's a little bumpy because crabs aren't always the super smooth. So here we go. We're going to add eyeballs to him, so his eyes kind of stick out on the top. You see that? So we're going to add two eyes, just two little arches like this, two rainbows. And we're going to add eyeballs. So he can be looking up, he can be looking down. I'm making him looking right in the middle, just like that. And it's kind of hard to add eyeball or eyebrows on a crab because it's not like it's on his body anymore. It'd be floating in midair. So crabs don't really have eyebrows, but they have eyes. So then we're going to go to his claws. And these ones are a little bit tricky.
Pinchers.
So this is how he picks up food. This is how he eats his own food. He moves around. So we're going to start here and go up. Make two curves up like that. And we're going to do that on the other side too. Two curves, just like that, coming out of the top of his body. Now we're going to do so we're going to start by making a C like this, connecting to this first line. And then we're going to make a backward C, connecting to the second line. And then we're going to go from the top and go ziggy-zaggy to kind of the middle, but we're going to make a ziggy-zaggy V. And you don't want to go all the way down because then he won't have anything connecting there. He wants to have it's like this. So it goes like that, and then the V goes here. So the inside of the V is sharp, but the outside is curved. And we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to make a C connecting to the first line, and then a backward C connecting to the second line. And then making a zigzag V in the middle. Just like that. So there we have his pinchers. And we're going to add a big old smile. Just like that. Maybe add some cheeks. So then we need his legs. And you see how he has 6 legs here? He doesn't just have 2 little legs. He needs all of them to crawl along the bottom of the ocean. So we're going to do something similar, but we're going to do like a curved V coming out of here. We're going to go curve just like this, and we're going to connect it curving back up. Curve down, curve up, curve down, curve up. So that's one side of his body, and then we're going to do the same thing but curving the other way. So curve down, curve up, curve down, curve up, curve down, curve up. And there we have our crab. So we're going to make his surroundings. And in the bottom of the sea, he has to breathe. So he's going to have some bubbles coming up. We're going to make some big bubbles, some little bubbles, all coming up from him. There we go. You can add some over here just to kind of fill the white space. Some bubbles everywhere. There we go. And he has to be walking on something, so we have to draw a sand layer. But make sure that when you draw the sand, you don't go through his legs, right? He's on top of the sand. There we go. Going up over his leg, up and over his leg. And it's okay. The sand doesn't have to be straight because sand is not normally straight. When you go to the beach, it's going to be all wavy like that, right? So you can do some waves. I put some dots in mine to make it look like sand. Just like that. So then I added a starfish over here. My starfish is not very good. I'm sure a lot of you can do better starfishes than I can. But just doing 5 little V's like that makes a starfish. just like that. There we go. And we're gonna do some little coral waves over here. And you'll draw those green, just like I did over here. They flow in the ocean.
Seaweed.
Seaweed, there we go. You're gonna do some on this side too, just like that. Remember not to go over your crab's leg. And then if you wanna add some shells, you can. And just do just like that. It's 2 little curves on the bottom and then 3 curves on top. And there you have shells with some lines in them. And then there you have it. So there's your crab. You color him red. It's all red except for his eyeballs. All of this is red. His legs, his pinchers. You're gonna make these kelp and the seaweed green. If you did a starfish, you can make him pink or purple or blue even. And the shells, you can make whatever color you want, but the sand is always going to be yellow. The sand is going to be like a yellow or a brown or an orange, something like that, because the water here is going to be blue. So the rest of it is going to be blue. You can color the bubbles the same color as the water if you want, but I made mine a little darker so you can see them. So that's it. That's our crab. And you're gonna be all ready for summer almost, or the hot weather, and you're gonna be jealous of him. He's gonna be in the water. But I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Bye.